Pangpang, what's wrong? Somebody ate one of your blueberries. But boy, you've got a whole packet of blueberries and you're the only one eating them. You counted them? So you're sure? Of course you're sure. Pugs don't make mistakes. Well, I don't know about that, boy. I saw a little mistake on the floor the other day. That wasn't you. Who was it then? Yeah, apparently it was me. Okay, boy. I guess you need a treat, don't you? Because all pugs love to have a treat. There you go, buddy. Enjoy. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe and turn on those notifications.